Hello everyone, how are you doing today? So today I'm going to discuss about the gap up, gap down. Whoever don't know what is gap up is, it's gap up is something whenever Indian market close and international markets open, based on their action, our market will react next day with the gap up or gap down. So whenever huge gap up or huge gap down happened, we missed most of time of trade, right? Because it already almost of the point is gone in the gap up gap down. So how we can grab the opportunity in that? So let me discuss about that. So first is what we are going to use is a EMA. So we are going to use a 50 EMA and 100 EMA. Time frame, it's all my preference is a 15 minutes and 5 minutes. So most is 15 minutes. Why? Because you will not get trapped in 5 minute candle or any other candles. So yeah. Next is we are using a fabric retracement and the we are waiting for the 15 minutes candle. Okay, so let's use the fib here. So in the last day, trading day was a huge gap up, and there's a two indicator that I'm using. One, this is a 50 EMA, another one's a 100 EMA, right? And the trend, it's a bullish trend. Okay, so this is the fib retracement tool. Whenever happen with the huge gap up, the last day of the close market mark with the next day open market, right? So I'm marking here. You can see some percentage, right? So whenever any gap up gap down happen, it will retrace within a zero point 0.3 points or 0.5 points. So let me mark here. This is a 0.3 and another one is 0.5. If the gap up happened and it will be a keep bullish, most probably in these 2 points this will be a change. The bullish trend will be changed. So you see the gap up and there's a couple of like taking a retracement, and after this 0.5, after 0.5 it take again gap up. So you can take this opportunity and take trade after the doji with the small stop loss of the 73, and the profit will be a 345. So that's a huge profit. So that's how you can mark your whole gap up or gap down and take a trade on it. Let me go back to the more previous day. Now as I said, the rule you need to follow, you have to follow the 15-minute candle and wait for the 15-minute next candle. Okay, next day it's a gap down, right? And as I said, it has to be close if we are going opposite trend. So next day is a gap down and it comes to the almost 0.7. So our fib retracement tool, it's not working over here. But what you see is after 6.0, it's a golden ratio, it's again falling down. So you can quickly go for a trade because it's going down, it's a gap up, and you can take with the large right after the above mark as a stop loss and go for a trade for the next day below last day from till here. From let me mark here. You will see there's a 60 point of stop loss with the 10205 profit. That's how you can trade. Okay, let me tell you about like why 50 EMA and 100 EMA use. Because whenever 50 EMA the candle close above the 50 EMA, there's a highly chances is a gap up. If close below 50 EMA, there's a highly chance of gap down. So here you see it's almost crossing. So next day most probably chance is a gap down. Here it's they take a retracement and again next day is a gap up. So it's a not gap up or gap down, it's a open as a sideways. So we do not have that opportunity over here. Here again that you see it's a huge gap up we mark as a fib, and we are waiting for the retracement. After 6.3 its retracement happened, but it didn't go above, so that's mean if not going above, we can go ahead for the with the sell side, right? And after 15-minute candle, next day candle also be close, so we can mark as a, we can go for a short over here. The target will be a 50 minutes EMA, so last 15 minutes EMA is here. After 15 minutes EMA, it again change the move, and you can almost get the like 50 points of stop loss. You will get 209 of points. So yeah, more example, let me go again. It's a huge gap up, but within a 15 minutes it's almost closed, so there's no scenarios over here. Here you see the gap up, and after 6-point golden ratio, it's again turning back. There's a no candle close, 15-minute candle will not close, which means it's going to be on top. So on top, it's been holding for too long, that's why we take an exit. So here we can go for a like small profit with like 1:1, or like I guess, yeah, 1:1 profit. So for 70%, 76% of your stop loss off, you get more than 1% profit, because we take an exit because holding too much. That's why it's highly chances is go below the, it will turning back. Here it's a huge gap up. Again, it retrace after golden ratio, and next candle also be closed. So as I said earlier, it will come till the 50 EMA, and then it will, after that it will turning back. So that happened over here. So you can go for the trade here till the 15 EMA, and whatever small point you will get. So not every day you will get the huge gap up and same scenario. So you have to keep in mind, whenever you take a trade, make sure you're trading the stop loss. So huge gap up, retracement, next day it's a green candle, so you ideally should take a for a above trend, right, bull trend, because you felt, because it's a trapping over here. Again, it's engulfing, which means previous candle will completely cover by the next candle, so the highly chances is going to fall. There's a trap over here, and that you see it will go for the 50 EMA. So if you have been in the market for so long, you will understand this one. Yeah, again over here it's a huge gap up, retracement, next day it's a green, but it's below the point, right? So that's all. This is a Diwali day, so Diwali day didn't happen anything. So yeah, thank you for all. You understand what I just explained. Wait, use that 50 and 100 EMA. Wait for a, whenever gap up happen, or it candle goes towards the down, there's a highly chance is come till the 50 EMA. 100 EMA helps you out with the gap up, with the, it's going to be uptrend or downtrend. So that's why I've used. There's no uses in the strategy, but only to see that it's a bullish trend or bearish, right? We are using the fib, and we are using a 15-minute candle. So I hope you liked it. Please do back testing, and likes my channel, comment anything if you have done back testing or anything, any question you have, feel free to comment on it. Thank you very much.